I'm going to give you a quick demo of our smartphone module here. As you can see, I have the Huracan pulled up. We unfortunately don't have Blue Cepheus or Wild Verde Scandal in here yet, but we are working on the other colors. But just to give you guys a quick demo, you got a lock button here. It'll lock the car. Unlock button. It unlocks the car. You can see the handles popped up. And then the remote start, you just simply tap it. And then same process with the key fob. You're gonna have to wait for the electronics and all that stuff. And then there she goes. It'll have a timer right here. It takes about 15 seconds or so for that timer to populate, but it'll give you the countdown. Remote stop, you can hit this button, it'll turn the remote start off. And then you obviously have signal as far as GPS signals, and then the battery voltage. You can come here. We're not going to do anything with auxiliaries on the Huracan, but you can hit the map button and it will pinpoint GPS location. This isn't necessarily a tracker, it's more like you can ping it and see where your car is real time. So, you know, you can do satellite, zoom in, it'll show you where we're at. So anyway, that's it for this. If you guys have any questions, feel free to holler at us.